In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mindbody 2025, step by step. Mindbody is a simple way to discover fitness studios, book classes or wellness services, and keep your schedule organized. I'll walk you through the entire flow so you can make your first booking with confidence and know exactly where to find it later. Start by opening the Mindbody app. If you're new, tap sign up, enter your email address, create a secure password you'll remember, and type your name as you'd like it to appear when studios check you in. Then head to your inbox and verify your email. That verification link activates your account and ensures your bookings, receipts, and memberships sync properly across devices. Once you've verified, your account is ready to use. From the home screen, it's time to find a studio, gym, or class. Use the search bar to look up a specific business if you already know the name. You can also search by class type, like yoga, Pilates, boxing, or strength training, or by location to see what's nearby. When you spot something interesting, tap the business to open its page. Here you can glance at class descriptions, schedules, and other helpful details, which can guide you to the right fit. When you're ready to book, select a class or a service. Choose the date and time that fit your schedule, and pick an instructor if that option is available. Take a moment to double check the class level, duration, and whether it's in person or virtual. When everything looks good, tap Book to proceed. If payment is required, you'll see your options. You can pay with a credit or debit card, apply an existing membership, use a class pass, or redeem a promo or a free class. Some studios also let you pay at the studio. Before you confirm, glance at the total and any notes about cancellation windows or additional fees so there are no surprises later. To make sure your reservation is set, go to your profile and tap My Schedule. You'll see your upcoming classes and any appointments all in one place. This is a great spot to review start times, locations, and any special instructions. If it helps, add the event to your phone calendar so you don't miss it. If your plans change, open My Schedule, select the class or appointment, and choose Cancel or Reschedule. Be sure to check the studio's policy, since many have late cancel or no-show fees with cutoffs several hours before class. And that's it. Open the app, sign up and verify, search, book, pay if needed, check your schedule, and manage changes with ease.